Hi everyone, welcome to my micro lecture on Fibonacci sequence. Hello, I am Sir Dion, your lecturer for today. I'm your mathematics teacher and I will present to you Fibonacci sequence. Our objective for this micro lecture is to answer these three questions. Who was Fibonacci? What is the Fibonacci sequence? Why Fibonacci sequence is important? Let us try to answer who was Fibonacci first. He is known as Leonardo of Pisa, a European mathematician from 1175 to 1250. He discovered Fibonacci sequence by investigating how fast rabbits could breed under ideal circumstances. Let us experiment by investigating how Leonardo of Pisa discovered it. If two newborn rabbits are put in a pen, how many rabbits will be in the pen after 1 year? Assume that the rabbits always produce one male and one female out offspring, can reproduce once every month, can reproduce when they are 1 month old, and they never die. The next question that we need to answer is, what is Fibonacci sequence? The Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers that follows a unique integer sequence. These numbers general mathematical patterns that can be found in all aspects of life. The patterns can be seen in everything from the human body to physiology of plants and animals. The Fibonacci sequence is as follows: 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, 144, and so on. The generalized sequence of the first two positive integers and the next number is the sum of the previous two. For example, 2 is found by adding the two numbers before it, that is 1 plus 1. 3 is found by adding the two numbers before it, that is 1 plus 2, and so on. Now, if we're going to look at the pattern, okay, the general formula of the Fibonacci sequence is x sub n equals x sub n minus 1 plus x sub n minus 2, where x sub n is the term number n and x sub n minus 1 is the previous term, which is n minus 1, and the x sub n minus 2 is the term before that. Let us apply the formula by doing the let's exercise. How many rabbits are there on the 13th and 14th month? First, you need to create a table of values when n is the number of term, while x sub n is the Fibonacci number. Based on the number or based on the table, the first 12 terms are 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, and 144. To find the number of pair of rabbit in the 13th month using the general formula. So we have here x sub n equals x sub n minus 1 plus x sub n minus 2. Now replace n by 13, it will be x sub 13 equals x sub 13 minus 1 plus x sub 13 minus 2. Now we need to subtract this one, so therefore this will be x sub 13 equals x sub 12 plus x sub 11. Now, upon checking, x sub 12 has a Fibonacci number of 144, while x sub 11 is a Fibonacci number of 89. So replace x sub 12 and x sub 11 and it will become 144 plus 89. Add them together, so the answer would be 233. Since you know how to use the general formula, it is your turn to find the number of pair of rabbits in the 14th month. Okay, time's up. If your answer is 377, then you are correct. Lastly, we will answer the final question, why Fibonacci sequence? Fibonacci numbers show up unexpectedly in architecture, science, and nature, such as sunflowers and pineapples. Here is the montage of three flowers showing Fibonacci numbers that can be found in nature. The lower left is the columbine. It is a 5-petal flower. And as you can see, 5 is a Fibonacci number. On the upper left is the delphinium. Okay, it is an 8-petal flower, which is 8 is a Fibonacci number. Lastly, in our middle right, okay, we have the black-eyed Susan. It is a 13-petal flower, and 13 is a Fibonacci number. There are a lot of things that Fibonacci number can be found in nature and even in our home. Now, let's play a game, Scavenger Hunts, okay? With the title of Fibonacci number at home. You will be divided into small groups. Look at the things, flowers, and or animals available at home or a perimeter at home. Take a picture of what is asked in the Fibonacci number. The first group who will complete the task will win. Go to this link for your groupings. Are you ready to do the scavenger hunt? Oh, that's nice energy. Well, I hope you enjoy playing the scavenger hunt. Now, to synthesize, Fibonacci is discovered by Leonardo of Pisa because of his curiosity on how rabbits populate in an ideal circumstances. Also, Fibonacci sequence is a special sequence with a unique integer pattern, and there is a general formula to find the missing Fibonacci numbers. Lastly, Fibonacci numbers can be found in nature, and some of them can be found in the number of petals in a certain flower. Thank you for listening to my micro lecture, and I hope you learn a lot from this video. Goodbye, everyone!